We'll guide you through how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Google Form already makes it super easy to collect information and create surveys. You can even go into Responses tab and quickly view all the data collected so far. But if you want more control over your data like sorting, filtering, or seeing exact timestamps, you will want to link it to Google Sheet. So let's get started. First, open the Google Form and let's say I want to link this particular form to Google Sheet. Just open the form and go to Responses tab, and you will see an option labeled as Link to Sheets. Or you can also click on this three dot and click on Select Destination for Responses. They are both the same, so we're just gonna go ahead with the Link to Sheets. Just click on Link to Sheets and it will ask you to create a new spreadsheet, and it will even give you an option to rename it. So if you want to rename it, you can rename it now, but I'm just gonna leave it at default and I'll click on create. And it will be linked to the Google Sheets. Now let's say for example someone gives response to my form, and in my case I'm just gonna give responses myself for the sake of the video. Submit, and when someone gives the responses, it will be automatically linked and be visible in the Responses tab, and you will even see the timestamps. And let's say you want to link a form to already existing sheet. Just go to any form that you want to link, go to Responses and click on Link to Sheets. From here, you can just toggle on the Select Existing Spreadsheet and just click on Select. And now you will be able to just select any of the available spreadsheet or Google Link sheet, and you can even go to My Drive and select your destination from here. And let's say I want to link it with this particular spreadsheet. Just select it and click on Insert. It will open automatically. You will notice that a new tab has been created. Your original data remains unchanged and the new tab contains all the responses from your Google form. This keeps everything organized while still allowing you to manage multiple data sets in one file. Using Google Sheets with Google Form gives you more flexibility, and you can sort out responses, apply filters, create charts, or even export the data to other tools. To create a chart, just click on the Insert and click on Chart. And as you can see, a pie chart has been successfully created, and by going to Setup on the right hand side, just click on the chart type drop down and you will be able to choose different kind of charts also. So that's how you link Google Forms to Sheets, whether you are creating a new spreadsheet or using an existing one. We connected a Google Form to a new spreadsheet, explored how responses automatically sync, and learned how to link the form to an existing spreadsheet for better data organization. And that's it for the video. You can now check out our next tutorial videos.